affiliate marketing in South Africa and how to make money in South Africa with affiliate marketing. Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is another video on my YouTube channel. I'm always looking for ways of making money online, and I've been an affiliate of many companies over the years. The reason is I believe that people can make money online in South Africa with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you don't have your own product and you sell someone else this product in return for a commission. I found this graphic online from entrepreneurshipfacts.com, and you can see affiliate promotes a product or service on their website. Then another customer will click on the ad, and it converts. The conversion is tracked by the company that created the product, and the company pays the affiliate a commission. So that's a basic graph of how it works. I've been affiliate of lately of Hashing Ad Space, and I'll just show you the website. And with this program, it's a advertising platform where advertisers and people that want to make money online get together, and people get paid to watch ads. I joined as affiliate of Hashing Ad Space, and they pay me 10% commission of my affiliates that watch ads, and 50% commission when they buy ads. And if I go to my transactions, so I did work in the beginning, and then now with these affiliates, they still, the guys that are sticking to the program, they are earning me a passive income that way. You can see every day I get commissions. This is a semi that I've earned every day. This is the 19th. That's today is the 19th. There's yes, affiliate commission. There's affiliate commission. There's affiliate earnings. This was from advertising that one of my affiliates bought. This is for viewing ads. These are minting returns. Okay, so I also do work on my side. So I also watch ads, and I get paid for doing so. But lately I've been thinking of advertising a product on Hashing Ad Space myself, and then I went back to one of my favorite programs, which is Aweber. I've been using Aweber for I think about 8 years now, and I've been affiliate for about 4 years, and but I never used it to promote because it's difficult to promote on its own. But what I did was I just added my affiliate link in another traffic exchange, not Hashing Ad Space, because 2 years ago Hashing Ad Space didn't exist. But I made about 4 sales, and 2 of them dropped off within a couple of months, but 2 of them stuck. And for the last 2 years, every month I've been earning commission. You can see this is June, that's July, and that's in August. And I earn 30% commission, which is very good. And of the one person, I'm earning $20 per month, another $8 per month. You can see the one person has upgraded, so I'm earning $44 per month from that. And the other guys still 8, but as they get more members on their autoresponder, because Aweber is an autoresponder, I will earn more commissions, and this is totally passive, and it's recurring. So I did the work initially 2 years ago, and I'm still getting paid. So I thought, yes, I must advertise this on hashing ad space, but it's difficult to promote Aweber as a standalone. So I kept on looking around, and then I found another program that adds Aweber in a system with Clickfunnels or or Clickfunnels, not Clickfunnels, sorry. But so what I joined Rachel, and what she did in return for me joining her in Clickfunnels is that she gave me a complete business in a box or affiliate system, whereby I use her website or copy her website over, but I change my affiliate links on the website. So all I do is I promote, in this case it's this website here. So this is the landing page or the capture page, and if someone lands on here, so I promote this page on hashing ad space or any traffic exchange. And then when they click on here, they add their name and email, and that goes into the system. And then as soon as they completed that, they'll go into, this is the landing page, and on here they will receive training on how to promote this system, and it tells them much more about Clickfunnels. What I like about Clickfunnels is that any business that's online can use it to promote their product. Rachel has made very good videos explaining the whole process, how it works. Like in this video, I just want to show you what it looks like. There's Rachel, and then she tells you exactly how it works, and you get this whole website as well. Like this is now my website, and then you get the website template here. You've got to create it's not essential, but you can link this to your own or add this to your own domain. And then here you go for a 2-week free trial in Clickfunnels. And here you can add Aweber, and in these videos she shows exactly how to set everything up. Here you even get follow-up emails, so she also shows you how to set up a campaign on Aweber. Here's G Suite, that is for your emails, because on the GoDaddy you're not going to use the hosting, so you don't get emails with your domain. So you got to get the email email client from here. But all these you are earning commission when someone joins you again in this program. So you get commission from Clickfunnels, from Aweber, from Google in this case. And then even here she shows you how to send traffic or how to add traffic, because now you first of all set up the system, and all you need to do is you've got the product and the system there. All you need to do now is just add traffic to it. And then it's basically a numbers game. But she shows you here how to do that, and she likes using Udemy for solo ads, but she also shows you other ways how to add traffic to your system. She doesn't use hashing ad space because she doesn't even know about hashing ad space. But I found that hashing ad space works very well to get leads. Yes, click magic, but you don't need to join all these at once. As you start earning commission, you can join all the different products here. And then after you've got some affiliates and you take it to the next level, you can join other programs, and you earn commission from all of these products. So you've got a complete system here with all these products that you promote with one link. In my case, this is my capture page or landing page of my the whole funnel. So you're basically adding traffic or adding people into the sales funnel, so that you can get, you're putting people through the system that way. And some will join and some will, most will not. But the people that see the potential will join. And yes, what I like about the two main products, which is Clickfunnels and Aweber, is that even if you decide to abandon this, you can always use that independently, or you can use it for your clients if you're an internet marketer, or you can use it for some of your other products that you want to promote. So yes, so I just wanted to tell you that this is my latest product that I'm going to promote with Hashing Ad Space. I'm still with Hashing Ad Space. And yes, if you want to join my team, and obviously I will help you get started. Yeah, I'll put my affiliate link in the link below, or in the description below. And you're welcome to follow me by subscribing to my YouTube channel and following my progress. But yes, as I said, I'll also help you if you get stuck with setting up the program. Then yes, I'll be here to help you with that too. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye for now.